Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product for review. And in today's video we have the Havmor ice cream for review, and this is the Havmor basic flavor which is vanilla that I have with me, and today we are going to review the Havmor ice cream. Something about Havmor ice cream which I like is like similar to Amul. These are ice creams and not frozen desserts. These are made from milk, and this is the Havmor ice cream vanilla flavor, and today we are going to review this product. So starting off with the packaging of it, guys, just look at the packaging. It looks really amazing. It comes in this like plastic cup right here, small plastic cup that you get with a nice seal on top right here with the Havmor branding. You can see the Havmor branding right here. It says pure vegetarian. It's a vegetarian product. Flavor is vanilla ice cream made of milk and not a frozen dessert. So it's an ice cream. Moving on to the top, again we have the Havmor branding right here, vanilla ice cream written here, and the price of this product is rupees 25 for this cup. So that is the cost of this product. Net volume is 110 ml is what you get in this, a serving of 110 ml. Ingredients are water, milk solids, sugar, emulsifiers, and stabilizers, artificial flavoring substances like vanilla is there in this. Then the nutrient values are given. Energy, it packs in 129.4 kcals of calories, 2.6 grams of protein, carbs are 14 grams, total sugars are 14 grams, added sugars of which are 10.2 grams, total fat is 70 grams, saturated fat is 4.4 grams, cholesterol is 13.6 grams, trans fat is 0, sodium is 44.0 milligrams. And that is the information available on this. I really like the packaging of this. It's not like those small cups that used to come. It's like a pretty good quality of cup that Havmor has used, and it is like a completely sealed, so you can't actually open it until you break the seal. So let's go ahead, break the seal, and check out the ice cream. So here you have to break it like this. It comes off, and then you can just open it like this, and this is how it looks from inside, guys. Look at this ice cream, looks really amazing. And this is a lid of it, so you can, like, if you want to even store it, you can store it again by closing the lid and keeping it. This is how the ice cream looks, nice and white in color. And now we are going to do the taste test of the Havmor vanilla ice cream. Really smooth texture of it, and seems very nice thick ice cream right here. And I'm going to do a quick taste test of the vanilla flavored Havmor ice cream. Very creamy and yum, tastes amazing. So this is the vanilla Havmor ice cream, really amazing taste, a really good strong vanilla flavor to the ice cream, and very creamy. So guys, I would rate the Havmor vanilla ice cream a strong 4.5 on 5 for its amazing flavor and taste and the creaminess that it has. Guys, if you all have tried the Havmor vanilla ice cream, do let me know in the comments below so I can know your thoughts on this ice cream as well. And guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to share and subscribe my video, and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos in the future. Have a great day.